Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to share with you how to hard reset Infinix Hot 7 model number X624. Okay, so in case you have forgotten your pattern, pin or screen lock, this video will help you to unlock it without a computer. So let's get started. Go ahead and turn off the mobile phone. So now that the phone is completely powered off, we're going to use the volume up button and the power button. So you press and hold the volume up, then you power on the phone. Immediately you see the Infinix logo, then you release your finger from the power button. Now we are going to press the power button and immediately press the volume up. And here we are in the recovery menu. We're going to use the volume down button to scroll down to wipe data factory resets, then press power to select. So it seems like this method is not working for Infinix Hot 7. Let us wait for a few seconds and the phone will boot back to main menu. Then we can try another method to factory reset this phone. Go ahead and turn off the phone again. Then when the phone is completely powered off, then we try the same method again by pressing and holding the volume up button and press the power button. Press the power button and immediately press the volume up, and here we are in the recovery menu again. We are going to use the volume down button to scroll down all the way down to more options. You can see the more option, then you select it with power button, then select wipe data, then select yes. And as you can see now, the phone is wiping data and the data wipe is complete now. Go ahead and reboot the system now by pressing the power button. Then let us wait for a few seconds whilst the phone would boot back to the main menu. And guys, trust me, this method is tested and it works 100%. It works for all the Infinix Hot 7 X624. So make sure to subscribe and like this video to encourage others.